I am Dr. Shobowale, AG. My patients fondly call me Dr. Sho. We specialize in making you feel great and better about your foot and your ankle. Living with pain in this day and age is something that you don't have to deal with. We can take care of your bunions, hammertoes, ingrown toenails, foot and ankle trauma, sports injuries, pediatric patients, and anything that you could think of that could be related to the foot. As a patient, when you walk into our office, be rest assured that your health is our #1 priority. We take same-day appointments as well. We are very flexible. We have different and various payment options, which includes insurance, cash pay, and we also have care credit. We make sure that each time you leave our office, you are pain-free or at least pain-reduced, and you have a pleasant experience. We make sure that the patient's interest is the first thing that we think of, and we make sure that we treat you as family.
The experience is awesome. Dr. Shobowale was great, and the care I received, the attention is just phenomenal.
If you, a family member, a friend, or anyone you know could be having any kind of issues, feel free to call us. We are committed to helping people in our communities in the Katy area, the Cypress area, and the Houston area, one foot at a time.